Well, we are ready to rock. Marge is all geared up. We got everything we need. We got all the equipment, got all the cameras, got everything we need, and we are ready to rock. So we got about an hour drive. Well, it's probably going to take a little longer than that in Marge. Marge, you know, she's a little high-strung. So it's probably going to be like a 50-mile-an-hour drive. Figure from my house down there is probably going to take about an hour and a half in the car. Hopefully traffic won't be any issues. We're going to take a lot of back roads. The weather's going to be fantastic. So hot, which I love the heat, and I love hot weather. And so, yeah, we're excited. We're pumped. Well, let's get rolling. So in standard wife fashion, we were supposed to depart at 7:30. I was hoping to get out here at 7:15. Yeah, well, you know, in standard wife fashion, we're finally leaving. So this is the wife. Say hi, Jen.
Hi, Jen.
So that's the wife. This is the reason why we're running late. So we are going to get going. So we're going to get going. I had a latch incident. Hopefully my door will work. Hopefully the car will run. But we're heading out. What do you think? You think we're going to make it?
Maybe.
That's a maybe. That's a strong maybe. All right, here we go. Uh-oh. There we go. Okay, almost begun again. Get in the car. All right, come on, door. Yes. Here, let me help you. How many purses did you bring?
I got 2 pairs of shoes.
You know, you should put a cover in there. We don't have a cup holder. All right, hold on, and we're delayed again. So we figure it's going to take probably hour and a half to get down there. For us, we were probably 40 miles north of the Twin Cities, but we're going to take all the back roads. Marge, you know, she's a little high-strung. I said that earlier. It's got a lot of gear in it, a little tiny tire. It's got a 13-inch tire, 185, 75, 13, which I didn't even know existed. So we're going to take the back roads, scenic. You know, we'll get you some film. We got a dash cam going. So hopefully we don't run into any varmints, pesky deer. You know, they're all over down here. Oh, yeah. Okay, she's downshifting. Oh, there's a car. And, yeah, it's going to be a hot day. It's already hot in here. We'll keep an eye on the temperature. This thing will run a little hot. We'll keep you updated on that. I brought my thermometer, I don't know what those things are called, those little, I don't know, temperature reading gizmos. Oh yeah, here we go. Second gear, baby. 402 a gallon. Not too bad, I guess. Alright, so we are trucking along here. Temperature is at about 225, 230. It's running a little hotter than I'd like it to be. Oil pressure is in around 25, which is, I think, okay. But you know, we're probably 40 minutes or so into the trip, and so far, so good. We'll keep you updated. Okay, we got our registration. We're all registered. It was super easy. Jen, how you feeling?
Good.
Let's do this.
Fun.
So it was way easier than anticipated. I was expecting like I'd have to give blood and all kinds of stuff. I mean, when I was reading all the information online, the way it was written is I thought I was going to have to go through an inspection. When I pulled up, there was local law enforcement here, and I got an area gated off. So I really wasn't sure what was going to happen, which I would have been fine. The car's all legal and everything, all the turn signals, brake signals, everything, all the signals, all the DOT stuff works. The car's fine. But I just thought that I was going to have to go through way more. But all in all, worked out great. So we are now on the way to the show. Okay, so here's our registration. So we got everything registered, and we're gonna make it official. We're gonna put the sticker in the window. So here it is. It's official. We're in. There she is. Look at that. It's official.